Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most essential layout tool, that is VStack, GStack and HStack. If you are just starting out with SwiftUI, these tech you are the foundation of building any iOS app UI. We will be doing live coding, real example, and by the end you will be stacking like a pro. So let's jump in. Let's start with VStack. As the name suggests, it's arrange view vertically, one on the top of other. Here, how we can arrange? Let's say I am adding VStack. Okay, now I am adding two or three stacks. Tags. Hello. Let's say hello. SwiftUI. UI. Let's say another word. World. As you can see, VStack means vertically it arrange subview. So these are the subview. And it bind. These are the subview inside vertical. As you can see the result. You can also customize spacing, alignment. Also we can add modifier. So let's get. So here we have alignment. Let's say I am taking alignment as in leading. See the result, it's leading. If we adding spacing, let's say 8, see the result. If you want to add some modifier, let's say font with headline, this font with let's say title, see the result. Let's say we can add a foreground color dot red, see the result. So that is related to VStack. Next we have HStack. These arrange view horizontally side by side. So let's check that. Let's say HStack. We can add, for example, tags. Let's say hello, another tags with let's say same, for example, SwiftUI. See the result. Let's say adding spacer, see the result. I am adding spacer here, so that's why. Let's say we can adding spacer bottom, so it will little up, see the result. Now again adding another tags, world, see the result, hello. If you want same as vertical, if you want to add some specify, let's say alignment or maybe center, so it's center. If you want to add spacing, let's say 10 pixel, see the result. If you want to increase, let's say 30, see the result. Also we can add a modifier, same as like previously we have added inside VStack. Let's say font with some title, font with title 1, title 2. Also we have adding foreground color dot green, see the result. So that is related to HStack. And finally GStack. Think of it as a layer in Photoshop. You can stack element on top of each other. For example, here we have HStack. Now I am adding GStack here. For example, GStack. Okay. Now let's apply some color. For example, color dot red. See the result. It's top of on HStack. If you want to apply frame, then let's say frame width, let's say 300, height 200. See the result. If you want to apply inside whole view, then let's say GStack, here also GStack, and let's say apply color dot green. See the result. It will apply on full stack. If you want to remove, if you can also add image, that is also possible. Let's say VStack, and inside VStack we need to add that GStack. See the result. If you want to apply again color green, see the result. So you can add as an overlay like this. So that is related to GStack. And that's it. You have now mastered VStack, HStack and GStack in SwiftUI. These are simple but powerful layout tools that form the building block of every app interface. If this helped, drop a like and share it with your dev buddies. And don't forget to subscribe for more SwiftUI content. Thank you.